Alright. Here we go. One more time. Take a look out here. Huh? Oh, yeah. You're gonna want a hat. Gotta go back out into the fray. Check out my front door. A little snow got in. It's pretty insane. Here we go. Lots of ambulances on the way down here.
Visibility is shit.
Yeah, whiteout.
Yeah.
Yeah. Whoever's nuts enough to drive in this. Total whiteout. I just can't believe I'm still driving in this. Look at that. What the hell can you see in this? Whew. It's been non-stop sirens for the last like 20 minutes. Yeah, go see what's going on. Let's see what's up here.
Let's keep an eye on anything coming from behind us.
Yeah, right?
They don't slip it right into the sidewalk.
This is insane. Closing everything off. Seriously, they're just, I mean, seriously, dude's gotta be just ridiculous. I want to see what's going on down there. There's been like seriously, like 4 ambulances go down this way.
Yeah, well, I mean, come on, it's close to 10,000 people without,
10,000 people without power right now. Go Chicago.
It's not midnight and they're closed.
Yeah, right? You know there's something going down. Liquor stores closed early. Oh,
We're not dressed for the party.
we live right there. I'm not worried. Wow, I can't believe this. This is insane. Let's see what's up here. Yeah. Get across. I got about 20 more minutes of film, so.
You're on Lucas Place.
Yeah, right. It's good looting weather. Holy cow. I want to go down the Lakeshore Drive. Oh man, I would love to see it down there right now.
Lakeshore?
Yeah.
I'd love to see the lake right now, but there's no fucking way I'm going over.
Oh man, I can't even go that any further. I don't even know if I can do that. Oh, look at this.
Look at it. It keeps blowing, but like, look, there's the level.
Foster Avenue, ladies and gentlemen.
2-foot high drift.
Yeah. Let's see if there's anything out here. but I can't see him. Oh man, this is just too much, man. I don't think I could take it. Public safety. I bet you they're going down to Lakeshore. Huh?
You're just coming to the hospital.
Yeah. Oh, hell nah. Oh, God. People are insane to be driving in this. Tow trucks.
You should be slicing over there and curling inside the heat.
Yeah, right? There's those tauntauns when you need them.
This is seriously like hot.
Yeah, no kidding. Chicago has turned into Hoth. Right? I just can't believe how many people are still driving. God, it's like challenging to run into this stuff. It's like, seriously, oh my God. I wish I could describe this to you. Once in a lifetime. It's not necessarily a good thing, but holy shit.
It's fine if you're not like facing it.
Wow. Woo! That wind's going 35 miles an hour.
I know, I can't look at it.
I can't, it's just too much, man. I would have liked to get some thunder in this one. That's alright.
Well, supposedly thunder and lightning during snow is a really bad sign.
Yeah, this, I don't really need thunder to tell me that this is a bad snowstorm.
Jesus.
Holy shit, dude, this is like nutty. Wow.
Oh, I feel like losing something.
Yeah, right? Let's go loot some stuff.
Get some sea masks and go back to work.
Yeah, right? Oh, man. Look at that.
That's what you should actually see.
Yeah, right. No, it's cool. Cool.
Nothing's interesting. Nothing's to
Oh, my
takes.
chin is fucking frozen off.
Nothing's to takes from the Swedish American museums.
There's nothing to take.
Nothing's to takes. Nothing's interesting here.
Oh, man. This is just nutty. Imagine getting stranded in something like this.
I know. And not being drunk.
Yeah, I've been there before. I wonder if they closed Lakeshore Drive down. Probably. That's cold.
I don't know for sure. Like, is there state of emergency declared?
Yeah, I think so. I think they preemptively did it.
Is it
Look,
illegal?
oh, I see two people.
Is it illegal to drive on the streets right now?
No, I don't think it's illegal to
Well,
drive
I mean,
in the
that's usually
street.
what they do.
I think it's just stupid to drive in the street.
Usually they declare a state of emergency and say stay wherever you are, stay there, shut up.
Whoa! You're talking that had to have been like a 40-mile-an-hour gust. Holy crap!
My mom said 50 mile an hour gust.
50 mile an hour.
Another person.
As long as they're walking and not like.
And there's headlights heading toward it.
As long as they're walking and not like face down.
Yeah.
I don't feel like giving anyone mouth. Oh, I can't even look that way. Turning around my shoulder. Oh, God. Let's see if they make it. They gonna make it? They gonna make it? I think they're stuck.
Are they turning around?
They're stuck. Needles. Oh my God. I feel like the double rainbow guy. What does it mean? Oh, it's a double blizzard. All the way.
It's a blizzard on top. Blizzard inside of a blizzard.
Oh my God, I think it's a triple blizzard. What does it mean? God. Oh. Holy shit. There's a bus! Oh my God! A bus. Oh, the red line bus! Yeah! Woo. Props to the red line bus! Oh my God! Oh, shit. Alright, let's go inside. I'm done. I got enough to show my children. Show YouTube.
You gotta leave the.
No, take that out. Yeah.
I mean,
You know.
it would suck for anyone who lives here and can't get in because of the.
No, I don't want hobos
Yeah.
sneaking in.
They don't have a hobo.